Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam. How are you?
I am fine. And you?
I'm fine. What is your name?
My name is Disha Taslim. What is your name?
My name is Arushi.
What is your father name?
My father name is Najirul Rahman.
What is your mother name?
My mother name is Rojul Rahman. What is your father name?
My father name is.
What is your mother name?
My mother name is Osman.
What is your school name?
My school name is Hizbul Fitra Model Academy. What is your school name?
My school name is Hizbul Fitra Model Academy. What do you study here?
I read in class 2. Class do you read?
I read in class 2.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color blue and pink. What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is mango and celery.